Hey there, let me show you how I created this gorgeous gift box out of a plain white box. And all I used was some leftover upholstery fabric and some broken jewelry pieces. And of course, you can use anything you want to embellish the top. So like I said, I used some leftover fabric, and this is upholstery fabric. The thicker the fabric, the better. And this box was really good quality. I just could not get rid of it. So anyway, let's get started. Here's what I did. On the wrong side of the fabric, I'm going to place the top of the box down, and I'm going to trace around it with a pencil. Then, keeping it very still, you will do the same thing, and you can see how I flipped it over to all four sides of the box. The whole thing here is to keep it still. Try not to move it too much. Doesn't matter which side you do first, but go ahead and trace them all. Next, with my great fabric shears, I'm going to go around and just cut out my tracing. Before I glue it down, I do like to make sure it fits properly and possibly trim some edges if I have to, but it looks good here. Then with matches or even a lighter, I'm going to singe all of the edges of my cut fabric so that it doesn't fray. So this fabric here is an upholstery and it is synthetic, so it works really well. But if you are using a natural fabric, this won't work. You may want to try to put some glue on the ends, not hot glue, but maybe some glue that dries clear so that the edges of your fabric do not fray. And of course, what would I do without my glue gun? I'm going to go around, add some glue to the bottom first. So just the top of the box, which is the largest square there, and press it down firmly. Once my fabric is all in place and glued down, the best part for me is choosing the embellishment on top. And this is where your creativity just takes off, and you could really make it as stunning or as simple as you want. So I have a collection of all kinds of broken jewelry pieces, and honestly, jewelry I really wouldn't wear, but for some reason I wanted this one here because it's like a pop of color, but anything works. And then again with my glue gun, I just glue it right into place. And that's it. That's how I created this gorgeous DIY gift box in less than 5 minutes. So if you really love DIY tutorials like this that can save you money and really make some fabulous presentable gift items, go ahead and click on the other tutorials of mine right up here on the screen. Thanks again for watching, and please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Thanks again.